This is me, the voice you have been hearing.
I kill who I want to kill. I destroy who I want to destroy. I am the strongest chief priest.
No. I cannot take this any longer. Let me go and see that chief priest that they say is the greatest. This man has spoiled business for everybody in this area. He must die.
Hey! Can you imagine? That man, I will deal with that man. In fact, I will kill that man. Can you imagine? Customers no longer come to my shop again.
Enough is enough. He does not know the people he's messing with. Huh?
It's as if I'm no longer there.
Even me.
I will kill that man.
Yes, we will kill that man.
In fact, where is Baba?
Baba.
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 Okay, let me wait.
Baba.
Let me hear from the spirit first before I hear from you. Okay. Now you can speak. For I am listening.
Baba, there is this man.
I hear you both came for the same purpose. Let one person speak.
Baba,
Madam.
as you can see, I no longer want that man alive. Kill him. Can you imagine, Baba? Customers no longer come to my shop. All because of him. Baba, finish him. So all the customers can be mine.
Okay. It is a very small thing. I will summon his spirit, and when I kill, he shall die. What is the name of this fool?
His name is Lako.
What?
Lako.
Lako, you are finished.
Yes, so he must die today.
I summon the spirit of Lako. I summon the spirit of Lako. I summon the spirit of Lako. Yeah, there the spirit is coming.
You all over, Olúwa, ẹ tóbi lọ́ba o.
Where am I? Where is this place? Who are you?
Baba, what is it?
Is this the man?
Yes. This is the man.
No.
No, what?
No. No.
What is happening?
There is absolutely nothing that we can do
I don't understand.
to pull this man down.
What is happening here? Can somebody tell me?
Why?
Can't you see? I see on his face, touch not my anointed. I see on him, touch not my anointed. Can't you see it on his forehead? There is nothing we can do.
Do you mean this man will leave?
Now listen, man.
Listen to what?
This man's garment is pure. He has no loopholes. It is written, he that break the edge, the serpent shall bite. He has not broken the edge. We have no place in him. There is nothing we can do.
I I thought you are the strongest chief priest in the whole of Africa.
I wonder.
I know.
Uh-huh.
But in this case, I can't help you.
Okay. If you cannot do anything, I will make sure I do something.
Don't do
I
that.
must
Don't
do
do that. No.
Since you cannot do anything, why are you stopping me from doing something?
We cannot kill him.
Why?
Then let us make him run mad. Very simple.
Better.
I am not sure that will even work.
Why?
Let us give it a try.
But if you soul insist, then let us give it a trial.
Better, oh, better.
For wherever they are calling your name for evil, it shall backfire.
Look at you, you're from mad. You are from mad. You are mad now.
Listen, it does not matter who is against you. It does not matter the multitude that are fighting against you. Be it at your place of work, wherever it may be. But wherever they gather for your downfall, they shall go down for your sake in the name of Jesus. It is written, every tongue that rises up against you in judgment, you shall condemn. Right there where you are seated or where you are standing, lift up your voices and condemn that sickness, condemn that failure, condemn that poverty. Restoration is taking place now.